Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will discuss and see the maintenance of a centrifugal pump. First of all, I will tell you the specification of this centrifugal pump. This centrifugal pump has a flow rate of 100 meter cube per hour and the discharge head of the pump is 50 meter. So let's start the video and I will see you the overall maintenance of this centrifugal pump. First of all, whenever you will do a maintenance on the pump, close all the inlet and outlet valve of the pump. Then we will open all the foundation bolt of the pump and dismantle it from its housing and the casing, as you can see in the video. In this video, we will change the bearing of the impeller shaft and also the mechanical seal and the oil seal of this centrifugal pump. Now we will dismantle this impeller of the centrifugal pump. We will open its chuck nut and after this we will dismantle this impeller by the help of this hydraulic puller. As you can see, we have dismantled this impeller from the pump. Then we will open the bolt of this hydraulic or the mechanical seal. This seal is also known as the water seal. The water leakage is controlled by this mechanical or water seal. This is the lock nut of this mechanical seal. We will also dismantle it from the shaft. As you can see, this is our water seal and its housing. We will replace this mechanical or water seal and now we will change the bearing and also the oil seal of the centrifugal pump. We will open its cup. As you can see, this oil seal is also damaged. We will replace it with the new one. We will also replace all the bearings of the impeller shaft. This is our impeller shaft, the main shaft of the centrifugal pump. We will replace with new bearings. Install the bearing very carefully, and also we have replaced the oil seal. As you can see, we have replaced with new one. Whenever you will open a centrifugal pump, make sure all the spare parts will be replaced with the new one. Now we will install the impeller shaft in the centrifugal pump housing, and then we will install our oil seal cup very carefully. The most and the critical job during the maintenance of the centrifugal pump is this water seal or mechanical seal. This seal is in two parts, and the one part is stationary while the other part is rotating with shaft. This is our new water seal. The installation of the seal is like this. First of all, we will install its ring in the housing. Use the grease for better lubrication and easy installation. Then install this water seal cup. And then we will install this housing. This is the second part of the water seal. or mechanical seal. Use the grease for better installation and lubrication. Like this, we will install the second part of the water seal. Cleaning is must, and make sure the environment is clean. No dust contaminants can be beared during the installation of the parts of the centrifugal pump. Now we will install the lock nut of the water seal, and now we will install all the bolts of this housing. Now we will install this cup of the impeller, tight all its bolts, install this spacer ring, spacer bush, install the key of the shaft of impeller. Now we will install the impeller of the centrifugal pump. Make sure the impeller is fit on its seat. Then finally this lock, washer and nut is installed. All the bolt torques are given in the equipment drawings. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like my channel and watch all the video till end. Thank you so much.